Hello, St. Paul's. This is the Ministry and Renovation update for Tuesday, October the 20th. We've had another death in the family of St. Paul's with the death of Enid Minot this past Monday. We ask that you pray for her family in this time of loss and grief. Things at the church proceed. Ministry continues in a variety of different ways. Our Sunday mornings continue to be online and in person. We've not had a lot of people come to the in-person part of the service yet. If you haven't and you feel that you are up to that, you are comfortable with being out and about, we have all the procedures in place to keep people as safe as we possibly can. You do need to register each week that you desire to come so that we have that fresh information. There's always the possibility and probability that somebody off of the street will come in, which we had this past Sunday. So we do need to know how many are coming from St. Paul so that we can make allowances for the possibility of others coming into the church as well. This Sunday we will continue our series looking at the big picture issues in life and how the broad overarching themes of the Bible address those. This week we're looking at the issue of community and connectedness, which is a little ironic during the COVID times, I recognize, but community is important in whatever form it takes. That's it for today. Here is a bit of video showing you what's going on around the church. Work is ongoing for the drainage in the front parking lot. This is a project that was agreed to at the AGM last year in March and is not connected directly to the other work going on inside of the building. This is to get rid of the big lake that appears in the parking lot. And this is the same work that appears at the back of the church and the side of the church. Not too much has changed inside, but this is a walkthrough starting in the kitchen where you can see the backside of those barn doors. The Lord bless you and keep you.